Welcome to the land of dreams. New Zealand, where the earth whispers its ancient secrets and every horizon unveils a masterpiece painted by the hands of time. Today, we embark on an odyssey to 5 places that redefine beauty. Fasten your seatbelt, for this is not just a journey, it's a story written in the language of awe. Imagine a place where silence sings. Fiordland is that place. Here at Milford Sound, waterfalls tumble like silver ribbons, their whispers echoing through emerald fjords. Clouds hug the peaks, veiling them in mystery. And when the rain falls, it's not a downpour but an orchestra, each drop a note in nature's symphony. When the sun bows out, Tekapo awakens. This is where the sky isn't just above you, it envelops you. Beneath its starlit cathedral, the turquoise waters of Lake Tekapo glisten in ghostly serenity. And the Church of the Good Shepherd stands as a humble sentinel, grounding us in the immensity of the cosmos. Here, gods once walked. Tongariro is more than a park, it's a battlefield of elements. Volcanoes rise defiantly from an ancient land, their craters cradling lakes of impossible blue. The Tongariro Alpine Crossing takes you across this rugged beauty, where every step tells a story of fire, ice, and rebirth. Imagine paradise, and you might come close. The Bay of Islands is where the ocean plays its most enchanting symphony. Dolphins leap in joyous arcs, and secluded beaches whisper promises of tranquility. It's a place to wander, to anchor your soul, and to remember what freedom feels like. This is where Earth meets the heavens. Aoraki, or Mount Cook, the tallest peak in New Zealand, wears its crown of snow like a king. Beneath its watchful gaze, the Hooker Valley track winds through glacial rivers and alpine meadows, leading you closer to the heart of this icy giant. New Zealand is not just a destination, it's a world unto itself. A world where beauty isn't just seen but felt. From the fjords of Fiordland to the starlit skies of Tekapo, from volcanic realms to oceanic paradises, this is a land that leaves its mark on your soul. So pack your dreams and let New Zealand show you what it means to truly live.